Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. So today what I have for you is what in my opinion is the best budget drawing tablet. It's this GAOMON S620 tablet right here. Um it's great for drawing. That's what my main research was when I was selecting this, but I came across a lot of reviews that from this game called Osu players. They're saying that this really helped them step up to the next level, and I can understand that because this thing has amazing specs for a $30 tablet. It's really good. So let's take a look at what's inside here, and then we'll talk about what makes this such a great tablet to use. All right, so you get a warranty card. I think now I'm not 100% sure. I'll double check, but I think they have a year warranty on this and instructions on how to install the software, and a little thank you note. Then you get the cable, the pen, and this pen is battery-less. It doesn't have a battery inside. So honestly, if you're looking for yourself and the pen you select has a battery, I mean, nowadays all the newer stuff, it's without a battery. It's nice and light, very comfortable. And then you have the actual tablet. Instruction manual. Yep. And a USB-C and a micro USB adapter in case you want to connect it to your phone. A bunch of tips, nibs I think they're called, and extractor tool, and a glove for using the tablet. Feels like pretty good quality. I mean, my hands are average size, I guess, but fits pretty comfortably, I'd say. And it's got a lot of stretch to it, so if you have bigger hands, I think you'll be fine too. All right, and then here's the actual tablet. It's got 4 keys that you can program to, like quick keys or whatever. It came down to 2 tablets. There was a similar one that also had very good specs, but it did not have any keys, so I went with this one. It's a little on the thicker side as far as these things go, but I've been using it and my wife's been using it, and I mean, honestly, it does not affect. It's actually easy and convenient to use. So all right, so what makes this a good tablet? First thing is the drawing size. It's 6.5 inches by 4 inches, and if you've seen some of the other ones on here, it's like 4 by 3, and I mean, it sounds like a decent size, but that's basically the size of your phone, even smaller. So you get like this much drawing area versus this. Then it's got pressure levels in the pen. So basically, the tip has a sensor. When you're drawing, it can sense how hard you're pressing to make it wider or thinner, the line you're drawing. And right now, from my research, the most high-end ones have 8,000 and 192 levels, and that's what this thing has. This is on par with like $70 to $100 tablets in that regard. Most of the other ones in this price point are around 4,096 pressure levels. Another important thing is the report rate, and that's basically the tablet sends a report to your computer of the pen's location, and it's basically reports per second, known as the RPS, and this has 266 RPS, which is really good. Once again, it's on par with tablets that cost around 70 to $100. So that's another really good thing about this tablet for the price. I mean, it's really good. Then there is LPI, lines per inch, and it's basically a sensor going down the tablet across and down about the pen's position, where exactly it's located. So basically, it comes down to how accurately it can determine the tip's location on the board. So just how accurately you can draw. So basically, when it comes down to it, it's the RPS and the LPI is what determines how good a tablet is, because it's how many reports get sent to the computer about where your pen's moving, and then how precise the report is. The only thing I'm going to mention that if you have a lower end computer, it can sort of slow down the response rate because it sends way too much information, and the computer with a lower quality would not be able to keep up. But honestly, that's on the very low end computers, and if you're doing graphics stuff, your computer should be able to handle it. I don't think it would be a problem. All right, so I'm going to include a video right now of me using this. I'm just gonna do some simple designs just to show you the lines and stuff. I have the artistic talent of a tree stump, so don't expect anything fancy. But you will get to see how this works. So here's that. All right, so once again, not much of an artist here, but we will show you how the pen reacts. Okay, so it follows it even when you hover, and then pretty precisely. Okay, so now we will try to draw like a thin line. Okay, I switched something. There we go. Okay, so drawing a thin line. And now we're going to try to draw thin to thick. So yeah, so very good control. If this was an artist handling this, they'd probably make it look much better and much more even. But it responds very well. You could just lightly scribble something and then, Anyway, I think this shows enough of how it works. I think you get the picture. Alright, so as you can see, it works pretty well, pretty accurately. I mean, I can recommend this based on my opinion and based on my research. This is a very good choice. I'll have a link down in the description below. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. If you liked, commented, subscribed, I appreciate it. It helps me out. Have a great day. See you next time.